In this tutorial you will learn how to reject customer-ordered product. Step 1. Click on Orders link on the seller dashboard. Step 2. Click on Customer-ordered products. Step 3. Click on View button. What is product rejection? Product rejection is the option to reject, deny the customer-ordered product only when the seller is unable to give the product. widerwings will suggest not to reject the product frequently, because it will ruin the product rating, seller rating, and it will ruin the goodwill of widerwings. So this option is kept if the seller is utterly unable to give the product for the valid reasons. widerwings will deduct the processing charge for the product rejection, and stock of the products will get 0. Step 4. Click on Reject this product button. This ordered product will be rejected.